In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo in ChatGPT step by step, and I'll also show you how to upload multiple photos if you need to. This is a really simple process, but if you've never done it before, this quick walkthrough will save you time and confusion. Whether you want to ask ChatGPT to analyze an image, describe a screenshot, or help with something visual, uploading a photo is the first step. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the chat window is open, look for the plus icon near the message box. This is where you'll find the upload options. Go ahead and click on that plus icon to open the attachment menu. After that, you'll see an option that says Add Photos and Files. Click on that and a file picker window will open on your device. Now browse through your folders and select the photo you want to upload. If you only need to upload one image, simply click it once and then confirm your selection. If you want to upload multiple photos, you can do that too. Just hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while selecting each photo one by one. This lets you choose more than one image at the same time, which is super useful if you want ChatGPT to compare screenshots, review several pictures, or analyze multiple files together. Once you've selected everything you need, click Open or Upload depending on your device. And that's it. Your photo or photos should now appear inside ChatGPT, ready for you to ask your question or give your prompt. You can now type what you want ChatGPT to do with the image, whether that's describing it, extracting information, or helping you understand what's in the photo. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.